In this video, we will talk about monitoring using application insights. However, the Azure platform offers different kinds of monitoring capabilities. In this video, we will look into all the possible terminologies and the services used within the Azure platform with the core objective of monitoring your resources. Microsoft has started consolidating different kinds of monitoring capabilities within Azure into a single brand and a product name, and this is called as Azure Monitor. Azure Monitor delivers a comprehensive solution for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry data from your cloud and your on-premises environment. It helps you understand how your applications are performing and proactively identifies issues affecting those applications and the other resources that they might be depending upon. There are different kinds of terminologies that are being applied to monitoring solutions and capabilities within Azure, starting from application insights to Azure Automation, Azure Backup, Log Analytics, Site Recovery. All of these are bundled together into a brand name called Operations Management Suite, which is now being retired. Again, the point is it is just the brand OMS that is being retired, but the resources that are continuing to function under that brand would still exist. Again, each of this monitoring service serve a unique purpose within the Azure platform. But again, it's not very easy to keep a track of all of these resources in separate, trying to understand and figure out what each of them are supposed to be doing on the table. Microsoft is very much aware of this problem, and they're already consolidating different terminologies and the product groups existing within the monitoring capabilities of Azure into a single tooling called Azure Monitor, or that's what it appears to be right now. As you can see on the screen, now all the telemetry and instrumentation information from applications, operating systems, Azure resources, all the way down up to the Azure tenant is being consolidated into metrics and logs within Azure Monitor, and it allows you to gain insights, visualize them into dashboards and views and workbooks, analyze them using log analytics and metric analytics, and correspondingly also take action based on the outcome of these results in terms of alerts or auto scaling. And also this information can be integrated using Azure integration components like Logic Apps to other systems. As you can see, Azure Monitor is a comprehensive solution to gather metrics and logs from all of these resources. While in this section, we will focus more on the application insights part, so the insights part of the Azure Monitor story, and see how we can instrument and collect data.